Welcome, dear students. Dear students, today our topic is the triangles and its properties. We shall discuss the questions of exercise 6.1 for the students of class 7. Subject is mathematics. So let us study. Let us proceed now. First of all, introduction. What is a triangle? Let us construct one triangle. We have one triangle. With the help of the paper, I have constructed one triangle. So let us draw one triangle with the help of this paper. Outer boundary, this way we have drawn the lines. This is the line 1. Now this is the line 2, right? And line 3rd is done like this. Okay, so this way we have sketched one triangle. Now we have to name this triangle. Suppose this is the first corner. The corner, first one, this is the second corner. Name this as B, A, B, then this is C. The corners of the triangle are called vertices. So this is vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, vertices. All together they are called vertices of the triangle. So what are the vertices? Vertices are A, comma B, comma C. Right? Next we have sides. What are the sides of the triangle? Sides are, first of all we draw AB. Here we have to put one bar mark over AB. This is called AB side. Next one is side BC. This way we write. Last one is, you can write AC or CA. There is no problem. AC is the third side of the triangle. Right? Next we have the angles. What are the angles? Angles of the triangle are, first angle is, this is denoted by like this. This is the symbol for writing angle A. Next one is angle B. Last one is angle C. Right? One important thing here we can also write angle A like this. Angle A is also written as angle BAC. BAC. Similarly, angle B, we can write this angle as ABC. ABC. Similarly, for angle C, we can write like this: ACB. ACB. So what is the difference? What is the similarity? Similarity, first of all, we have, if we are discussing about angle A, then this should come in the middle. If we are discussing about angle B, this should come in the middle. If we are discussing about angle C, this should come in the middle, right? So we can write angle A equal to angle BAC. Angle B is equal to angle ABC. Angle C can be written as angle ACB, right? Now we shall discuss about the medians of a triangle. Medians of a triangle. Again, suppose we have one triangle, naming this as vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. Okay, So first of all, what we do here, we find the midpoint of one side. Suppose we are taking the side BC. Now what is the midpoint of side BC? I have this triangle. With the help of this triangle, I have sketched the triangle. So what I do, I am going to find the midpoint of this triangle, side BC. Okay, I folded the triangle this way. Right, now I again put the triangle here, and what was the mark here? This is the mark. So this is the midpoint of the triangle. This is the midpoint of the triangle. We can name this midpoint as D. After A, B, C, next point is D. Right, now what we do, opposite to this side, what is the vertex? This is A. Right, if we join these 2 points, that is A and D, we are going to join A and D this way. We have joined A and D. So this AD is called, AD is equal to median of the triangle. The side AD is called median of the triangle. Similarly, we can have one more median. I am again going to sketch the same triangle. This way I am going to copy one more triangle, same copy of this triangle. Right, so again we are naming the vertices as, this is vertex A, B, this is C. Right, now what we do, from vertex C we are going to draw the median. That is, we need here to find the midpoint of side AB. So what is AB here? In order to find the midpoint of AB, we have to fold this side. This way I have folded the side, and here I am going to put the mark where we have got the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. So here after D, A, B, C, D, we can name this as E. Now what we are going to do, we are going to join C and E. Right, this way C and E are joined now this way. Right, so what we say now, CE is also median of the triangle. Right, one more median can have there. So let us see what is that. Again, same copy of these two triangles, I am going to sketch one more copy of the triangle. This way I have drawn the outer boundary, that is the same ditto copy of these two triangles is here also. The name of this triangle is A, B and C. First of all, A was the vertex from where we have drawn the first median. Next time from the vertex C we draw the median CE. Now B is left. So from B, what is the opposite side? AC is the opposite side. So again, what is the midpoint of AC? We fold this way the side of the triangle AC. What is the midpoint? This is the midpoint. So we put the mark here, midpoint. Right, so in the previous triangles D, E, now this is the turn of F. This is F point. Now what we do, we join B and F with the help of the scale. We are going to join these 2 points now. B and F, they are joined, right? Now this way, this is also the median of the triangle. So BF is the median of the triangle. This way, what we have seen in these examples, we saw that AD is also a median, CE also median, BF is also median. So one same triangle can have 3 medians. Okay, altogether if we want to draw the medians of the triangle 3 in the same triangle, so suppose we have the triangle A B C. So first of all, we have to find the midpoints of the sides. This way, I have already the triangle of the paper and I have marked the midpoints of the sides. So this is the midpoint of AC, this is the midpoint of AB, and last one, this is the midpoint of BC side. So what we name this? A, this is D, A in front of A, in front of B, suppose this is E, in front of C, this is F. Okay, now joining all these, first of all we join A and D with the red ink. So this indicates first median AD. AD is median 1, right? Next median is BE. We join this as joining the point vertex B and midpoint E, right? So BE is also median of the triangle. This is second median. Lastly, we join the third vertex of the triangle with the midpoint F. This way we have joined. Okay, now what we write here? CF. CF is also the median of the triangle. This is the third median. So very interesting thing is that all the medians of the triangle, if they are drawn together, they meet at the same point, right? Now let us proceed. One more interesting thing is that these medians meet each other and cut each other in the ratio 2:1, right? Each median have the ratio 2:1, 2:1, right? And the name of this meeting point where all the medians meet, that is called centroid. That is called centroid of the triangle. Now we shall discuss about the altitudes of the triangle. Altitudes of the triangle. What we are going to discuss? Altitudes of a triangle. Altitude mean height. Heights of the triangle. Again, I am going to draw one triangle with the help of this same triangle. This is the triangle. I am naming this as triangle PQR. Okay. Now, what is the altitude? From P, we draw one perpendicular on side QR. How to draw the perpendicular? This way, I have the triangle. I join the sides, but I join from the vertex. Okay, both things should go together. One thing is this, we fold the triangle this way so that these two sides should join, right, on the same line, and third side this should join with vertex, right. Now this way what we see, we put here this mark. Now this mark represents the point from where we have to draw 90-degree angle. This is the point from where we are going to draw 90-degree angle. Suppose M is the name of this point. Now I join P and M, right. So P and M, they are joined. Now what is the special thing here? Angle QMP is 90-degree. This is 90-degree, right. So we have drawn this way so that this angle became the angle 90-degree. Here this angle is also 90-degree, right. So what we say, P, this is the vertex and this is the M point, PM is called altitude of the triangle, right. So again what we say, there can have three altitudes of the triangle. My dear students, now let us see one triangle. This is triangle, this is right angled triangle. That means one angle of the triangle is 90-degree. Now tell me, what is the altitude of this triangle? Tell me, what is the altitude of this triangle? Of course, the side AC itself, the side AC itself is the altitude of the triangle. Side AC is itself the altitude of this triangle. Similarly, if we have obtuse angled triangle, PQR is the triangle obtuse angled triangle, because one of the angle is greater than 90-degree. So this triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. So how to draw the altitude of this triangle? Let us see. First of all, we extend the side, base side, right. From here we extend the side this way, dotted line is extended, right. Now from P we draw the perpendicular. From P we join this way, and from this point P we draw the perpendicular. Perpendicular mean 90-degree side, right. So what is here now? This angle is 90-degree. Okay, PQR, suppose this is M. Now what is the altitude? Here this PM is called the altitude. So I am darkening this side, right. So PM side is called the altitude of the triangle. Now we shall discuss the questions of the exercise 6.1. So let us see. In the very first question of the exercise 6.1, this is the diagram triangle. At M, PQR is the triangle. Here from M, this is 90-degree angle, and D is the midpoint of QR. This is given in the statement. What is given? triangle PQR. PQR is the triangle and D is the midpoint of the triangle. D is the midpoint of side QR. QR, this is the side and D is the midpoint, right? So what is our first part? First question, PM, line segment PM. PM, what is this? This is obviously, this is because 90-degree angle, and making 90-degree angle mean this is the altitude. PM, line segment PM is the altitude of the triangle PQR. Second part is question part 2. PD is dash blank space. What is PD? Because D is the midpoint of side QR, therefore PD is called median. PD is the median of the triangle PQR. Next, third part, third question is QM equal to MR? What is QM? QM is the distance from here to here. Is this distance equal to from M to R? Is these two distances equal? So our answer is no. These two distances are not equal. QM is not equal to MR, right? So this is the solution of first question. Now our second question is draw rough sketches for the following. First part is A part. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. Here again we can take the help of the same paper piece where we have one triangle. Here the name of the triangle is ABC. So what is the median? BE. From B, opposite to this vertex B, what is the name of the side? AC. So we have to find the midpoint of side AC. So this was the triangle, and here we have marked the midpoint. This is the midpoint, and we are naming accordingly E. E is the name of this midpoint of side AC. Now what we do? We join B and E, right? B and E, they are joined now. So this is the median. We can write in the middle, median equal to BE, okay? Because AE is equal to EC, right? Now we shall discuss about second part. B part is very interesting part. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. So both PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. That is, they are making 90-degree angles. So here what we need to draw one isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle mean having two sides equal, and one angle will be equal to 45 degree. So two sides equal to the length of the scale. Suppose I have one side, right, and I am drawing here another side with the same length equal to the length of the scale, but making 90-degree angle. So this way, right, equal to the length of the scale. So we have drawn. Now we join these 2 points. This way we have the triangle PQR. What we see, this angle is 90-degree because these two sides are equal, because PQ is equal to PR. So these two angles are also equal. So they will be 45 degree each. This angle is 45 degree and this angle is also of 45 degree. Now because number 1, because PQ is perpendicular on PR. Number 2, PR is perpendicular on PQ. So this way what we can say, PQ and PR are altitudes. This is altitude and this is also altitude. Right? Now we shall discuss the C part of the question number 2. What is C part? In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. So here we need to draw obtuse angled triangle, right? This way, suppose we have one side, okay? We name and another side is this. We are drawing this way, second side of the triangle, and this is the third side of the triangle. This triangle is obtuse angled triangle. So how we name this triangle? YL is the altitude. So this point should be Y, right? So we can name this as X, Y, and this is Z. So this becomes now triangle XYZ. YL is the altitude. So what we do? We extend this side XZ this way. We are going to extend this side. This is the way how we extend the side. Okay, we join the side XZ and extend it this way. Now from here, from Y we draw the perpendicular this way. We draw the perpendicular, right? So this angle is now 90 degree angle. So YL, this point L, this is the L point. So what we can say, this YL is equal to altitude of the triangle in the exterior of the triangle, because triangle is this and this is outside the triangle. Altitude is outside the triangle. So this is the answer to this question. Now coming to question number 3, verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. This is the question we have to verify. Okay, is this possible or not? So let us see. First of all, we have to draw isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle mean a triangle having two sides equal, two equal sides of the triangle, right? Suppose we have one triangle. Name of this triangle is X, Y, Z. Now what is the midpoint? This is the midpoint number 1. XY triangle XYZ is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, right? So XZ side xz is equal to side yz. Number 2, xyz, suppose this is M point. M is equal to midpoint of xy. M is the midpoint of xy. Number 3, now joining this way, this angle is 90 degree, right? Angle M is equal to 90 degree, right? So what we say, because ZM is equal to altitude, because angle M is equal to 90 degree. So this is the A part. And what is B part? B part is ZM is equal to median. Why this is median? Because M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of xy. So this is the reason we say that ZM is the median, hence verified, right? Thank you very much.